Introducing the Easy Street 160 gallon and the Easy Street 195 gallon trash and recycling containers. Manufactured by Stellar Manufacturing in Bend, Oregon, with over 30 years' experience in the refuse and recycling industry, Stellar has developed the perfect in-between sized containers to meet today's profit-increasing demands. When smaller residential size containers are not quite big enough, or multiple containers are necessary, or when a 1 yard, 1.5 yard, or 2 yard dumpsters are hard to access, harder to service, and cause stress-related worker injuries, the Easy Street 160 gallon and Easy Street 195 gallon containers are the perfect fit. One of the big advantages to our Easy Street containers is that they are serviceable with standard side load trucks that normally service residential routes. Where access and maneuverability may be a problem, or overhead wires pose safety or environmental concerns, the Easy Street containers are a perfect match. Our Easy Street containers can be picked up with standard-sized arm grabbers with no modifications and quickly serviced, speeding up route times and saving maintenance costs on more expensive, larger trucks. This is also an advantage over larger 200 to 350 gallon tubs. There again, our Easy Street containers reduce modifications to side load trucks, and with our optional front wheel, they can be moved much easier. This Easy Street 160 can is being loaded with 500 pounds of snow melt. Yet, while it's still a 500-pound load, see how easily it can be moved around on a level surface. However, you will want to check with your truck manufacturer's weight and arm lifting specifications and post those on your cans as weight not to exceed. With over 4 years of field testing and literally thousands of Easy Street containers in the field, customers are telling us this has reduced many of their route times, actually provided lower equipment maintenance costs, and allowed them to design more efficient and fuel-saving routes. Our Easy Street containers have allowed waste managers to go from this to this. 2 of our Easy Street containers can replace a 1.5 yard dumpster and save valuable time and potential stress-related injury to the operators. And 2 of our Easy Street 195 containers can replace a 2 yard dumpster. Some companies have been able to redesign routes so that they no longer require 2 operators to handle larger dumpsters in many areas. These are perfect for customers requiring multiple residential-sized cans, apartments, fourplexes, duplexes, smaller commercial accounts, rural areas, yard debris and leaves, and areas where mobility is a problem, like tight alleys, areas with low wires, or small enclosures. Our containers are made from strong, tough polyethylene, which are continuous cast spin molded and ergonomically designed for optimal handling. They have been specially designed with built-in side slip catches to help prevent can slippage when dumping, and our continuous mold design has no bolt holes that can leak or tear loose. Both Easy Street containers have the same diameter at the lifting point, so there is no retrofitting necessary to standard side lobe arm grabbers. Call today and find out how Stellar Manufacturing can help you improve your profit margin and your bottom line.